Hi everyone, my name is Tanisha Disanayake and I'm currently studying Business Information Systems degree. And this presentation highlights my professional skills, experiences, and uh, research proposal for the CIS 5015 module. And this presentation highlights this presentation focuses how digital transformation affects organizational culture and employee satisfaction in modern organization. And this is the topic. And this is the content. First one is introduction, and second one is research proposal, and third one is research aim, questions and objectives, literature review, research methodology, conceptual framework, project plan, ethical considerations, and conclusion. Uh, if I give an introduction about my presentation, um, the first digital transformation is transforming how organizations operate, like using cloud computing, artificial intelligence, data analytics, and collaborations tools are changing business operations. And however, digital transformation also affects like organizational culture, employee behavior, employee satisfaction, and understanding these effects in important for modern organizations like that. And now I'm going to talk about the research problem. Um, The research, many organizations have invested heavily in digital transformation. However, challenges still occurs, such as employees' resistance to change, uh, misalignment between technology and culture, decreased job satisfaction, and there is limited research explains how digital transformation affects both organizational culture and employee satisfaction together. Mm, and this is the research research aim. In my research, the main aim is to examine the impact of digital transformation on organizational culture and employee satisfaction. And these are the research questions. The first one is, how does digital transformation affect organizational culture in medium to large organizations? And the second one is, what is the link between digital transformation initiatives and employee satisfaction? And the third one is, what are the organizational factors that mediate to relationship between digital transformation, organizational culture, and employee satisfaction? And the research objectives are to identify the impact of digital transformation on innovation, norms, decision making, and values. And the second one is to identify the impact of digital transformation on employees' engagement, motivation, and productivity, to access the importance of leadership support and digital skills in affecting employees' experience during digital transformation. And now I'm I'm going to talk about the literature review of my research. Um, The digital transformation refers to integrating digital technologies into business operations. The key themes of identified literature included strategic alignment, digital maturity, leadership and governance, cultural readiness, like that. And digital transformation requires both technological and organizational change. And the organizational culture, according to Eager seeing organizational culture has three levels. The first level is artifacts. The second one is espoused values, and third one is underlying assumptions. Artifacts included visible structures and processes, example, digital tools and workplaces, and the second one is espouse values. It includes organizational strategies and goals, as example, innovation and agility. And the third one is underlying assumptions, included deep beliefs influence in behavior. As example, we can get attitudes towards risk and authority. Digital transformation can influence all three levels. And the digital transformation and this slide shows the digital effects of digital transformation on employees. It can be in effect, the effect can be divided into two categories like positive effects and negative effects. Positive, in the positive effects we can see the flexible working arrangements, better communication, opportunities to learn new digital skills. And the negative effects, techno stress, increased monitoring, job insecurity due to automation, proper management is needed to maintain employee satisfaction. And talk about employee satisfaction, we can divide into two categories: hygiene factors and motivators. Hygiene factors included salary, working conditions, job security, and motivators included achievement, recognition, and personal growth. And in my research, we can see the mixed method research approach. The quantitative method included online survey and 100 to 115 employees. And qualitative methods, semi-structured interviews and 10 to 15 participants. And we can, if we can go to the conceptual framework on my research, we can see the key variables. They are leadership commitment, change management and training, organizational culture and agility, and communication and transparency, and fair and job security, and employee demographics and mindset. And these variables influence employee satisfaction during digital transformation. The project plan now I'm talk about the project plan. First week I'm doing the literature methodology design and ethical approval, and the second week data collection, data analysis, and final report preparation. And now I'm going to talk about the ethical consideration. Um, the research will follow ethical principles, including uh, include informed consent and voluntary participation, confidential and anonymity, data protection, minimizing psychological discomfort. And these measures ensure participants are protected during the research process. And after I am like to talk about the data analysis of my presentation. The quantitative analysis included descriptive statistics and the correlation analysis and the regression analysis, and the qualitative analysis include thematic analysis and coding using NVIO. We like that. And according to the conclusion, we can see it's a conclusion and references of the last slide of my presentation included the conclusion and references. I'm talk about my full conclusion of the research. Uh, Digital transformation is significantly changing modern organizations, and while it provides benefits such as facilitation and benefits such as innovation, efficiency, it can also create challenges related to organizational culture and employee satisfaction. This research aims to provide insights that help organizations successfully manage digital transformation while supporting employees. And uh, also I think and this research and after that this research finally I'm telling like to this about the research. This research aims to provide insights and help organizations implement digital transformation while supporting employees and maintaining a positive workplace culture. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my presentation. Uh, Thank you very much.